Okay, so we're gonna go down this one. This is called Rua do Meio. So we're gonna head down this little alley in just a minute, and we'll see what's all around here. So stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua do Meio. This is kind of step back a little bit because I just want to show you. Before we go down this little street, we're gonna just kind of show you this Largo da Fonte and just kind of show you what it looks like. Got this beautiful building right here. All this kind of architecture, rooftop, all these beautiful flowers everywhere. And then across from it is this building in red over here, which you might not be able to see very well. Let's just kind of go up a little bit closer, get out of the sun a little bit. So now you have this, let me see. There, now you got it. So now you have this beautiful red one as well. There's flamingos up there, all kinds of cool stuff. Just kind of check it all out. So I did do some other videos where I kind of went in here a little bit, but what I'm going to do, there's the rooftop right there, but what I'm going to do is we're going to go down Rua do Meio. It's another nice little space in there too. So we're going to keep on going down. Just kind of show you, it's so beautiful, that little thing right there. So Rua do Meio. Got some beautiful plants. So this is kind of like that other one. There's also like a little courtyard right here too with let's get out of the shade a little bit. There you go. So there's the little courtyards there, and then I think what we're going to try to do is go over to the water later, but I definitely want to make sure we can see as much as we can of this street first. We're not too far from the water. This is an area called Coloane. You got little stuff like that, little alleys. Rua do Meio. See here, got little, let's kind of capture all those things. Rooftop up there, and keep on walking down it. See what else we can see. There's a little opening up into some other cool stuff. Nice balcony. I have filmed in here before. I'll try to attach it to the end, because every time you film something, it's a little bit different. You kind of focus on different things. Kind of want to go that way. That's an interesting little balcony. It's amazing. So actually, we're going to stay on task. But you can definitely see some interesting stuff everywhere. But I'm kind of half tempted to just take a left turn whenever I can, because I know I'm going to go through some really cool stuff. And I'm thinking about this one, Travessa de Taipa, which I think is what I'm going to do. Here's a little antique shop. Let's see here. Oh, there's a bike shop. You can sit there. So we could keep walking down that way, but I think what I'm going to do instead is I want to show you this the ocean. Everybody loves the ocean. There's that place again. There's a car up there too. Let's see the car. And we're going to go down this way. There's Rua do Meio, so that's our street. So we just went down that one, and we're going to go down this one next. And I just want to give you some context and bring you down to the ocean so you can see exactly where Rua do Meio fits into the ocean. So we're going to come by this little plaza here. Oh, there was a group that was having a good time there. So we just went through Travessa de Taipa. But you can kind of see from the Rua do Meio, you kind of end up in this other alley too, and then this alley leads into something real nice too. And then you have all these tables like this one. It's kind of red and white checkered stuff. So let's kind of focus on it real quick because it's so cool. See that other one over there too, right? And then these ones, they go all the way down. So we're gonna I also want to show you this church right here too. St. Francis Xavier's Church. And then there's another alley here, but what I want to do is go down this one. So we're just going to show you some of the other stuff, including this bar right there. So there's a nice bar. Actually all kinds of stuff all the way down here. So we're just going to go down further. And then we're going to show you the ocean. Show you the ocean view. Show you little statues too, like that one. There we go. So yeah, there's a church right there, so that's a pretty popular tourist spot right there. What we're gonna do is go down straight ahead, and then we're gonna capture this scenery right here. So Rio de Maio is maybe 2 blocks that behind me, and then now this kind of opens up. There's a lot of beautiful stuff over there, and then it's kind of low tide right now, I guess. Sometimes the water will go up a lot higher. This is the whole waterfront. It goes all the way down to a temple down there as well. So you got some real nice stuff in here. So yeah, that's basically, we're just like 2 blocks in from this whole space. It comes out into this space. Okay. It'd be tempting to walk into that and just go right into that. Okay, hope you like this one too. Chiquinha,